Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bot with Tupperbox. Tupperbox is a fantastic tool for managing multiple personas directly within your Discord server. To begin, you'll need to invite the Tupperbox bot to your server. Make sure it has the necessary permissions, ideally administrator, to function correctly. It's also a good idea to designate a specific channel or role for managing your new bot personas, keeping everything organized and accessible for your community. Now let's create your first Tupper persona. Simply type PK, add followed by the name you want for your bot, and then a proxy tag. For example, PK, add my bot MB. The proxy tag is crucial. It tells Tupperbox when you want to speak as that persona. You can also customize your Tupper's appearance by setting a unique avatar and a display name, making it truly yours. This step is quick, usually taking less than 1 minute to complete. Once your Tupper is set up, using it is incredibly straightforward. To speak as your new persona, just type your message, ensuring it's prefixed or suffixed with your chosen proxy tag. For example, if your tag is MB, you type MB your message here. Tupperbox then works its magic, deleting your original message and posting your text as the bot. This seamless process allows for natural and engaging interactions, making your server more dynamic. Tupperbox offers many advanced features to enhance your experience. You can easily modify your Tupper's details using commands like PK, edit to change its name or avatar. The PK proxy command allows you to adjust or add new proxy tags, giving you flexibility. For those seeking even deeper integration, exploring webhook options can unlock powerful customization. Remember, the Tupperbox documentation is an excellent resource for discovering all its capabilities and fine-tuning your bot personas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.